सो लॉन्डो कैसे हो सब लोग। तो भाई यहाँ पर बेसमेंट का राज खुल चुका है एंड स्टोरी भी बहुत ज़्यादा तगड़ी चल रही है। टाइटन्स का भी राज खुल चुका है, टाइटन्स कैसे बने क्या बने, बाकी और भी आगे हम आज शायद देखने को मिले और भी आगे की स्टोरी, मतलब टाइटन ने क्या किया, कैसे तबाही मचाई आके, तो वो सब चीज़ें हमको देखने को मिलने वाली है। तो लेट्स गो, साथ में देखते हैं, मज़े करते हैं। वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, कमेंट करना, चैनल को न्यू सब्सक्राइब करना और भी लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़ के लिए। बाकी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स गो। अब चिल्ला रहा है साढ़े, जब से तो बहुत खुश हो रहे थे तुम लोग। Satisfaction.
He squeezed the soldiers' lives out as if he were juicing fruit.
जूसी फ्रूट की तरह सबको भाई सबको मार
He
दिया
cast the
इसने।
scraps into the sea.
फिर
I suppose I ought to explain what the sea is. It's an enormous
और यही
body
सी
of
है ना,
salt
यही
water
समुद्र है
that
जो
covers
एरन और
70% of
आर्मिन
our
देखना
world's
चाहते हैं।
surface.
द अटैक टाइटन, अटैक ऑन टाइटन नहीं है, द अटैक टाइटन है। और इसने उतरा, इसने उनको मारा और इसको खोल दिया। मेरे को लगा था ये सारी पूरी मतलब तबाही मचा देगा, एकदम सबको मार देगा, कुछ कर देगा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं इसने।
Yes,
लेकिन
my
अब क्या
name's
करेगा?
Aaron Kruger. As you just
Aaron
observed,
Kruger?
I have the power of one of the 9 Titans, which proves that I'm a subject of Ymir, just
Oi.
like you.
You got into public security by pretending to be a Marleyan? But what about the blood tests?
With the help of a doctor, they were quite easy to pass.
ओए यार ये एरन ही है ना यार, ये मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ। लेकिन एरन ये पहले फ्यूचर दिखा रहे हैं या पास्ट दिखा रहे हैं, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई। ये एरन का दिखा रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर वाला एरन जो बड़ा हो जाता है उसके बाद की ये वही कहानी भाई, मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रही कसम से।
And an imbecilic man. So explain to me, why am I the only one left standing as a human? My wife, Dinah, was special, a subject of Ymir with royal blood. She could have made full use of the power of the Titans, and if you hadn't shut me up, she'd still be. Tell me why? Why did you save only me?
Let go. You're just making your hands worse.
I'm grateful for your concern, but I didn't notice much before when you were cutting off my fingers. So, why didn't you transform into a Titan earlier? If you'd made your move sooner, they'd be fine right now. What was the point of waiting for them to be turned into monsters? What's wrong? Why do you look so pale?
बीमार है क्या ये?
It wasn't. Only your comrades. I've severed thousands of fingers from fellow subjects of Ymir. I've created countless Titans. From men, women, and children.
चिल्ड्रन, मैन, वुमेन, बहुत सारे बने।
The while telling myself it was for Eldia. I'm sorry, Grisha. Time is short. I'm entrusting you with this last task.
क्या
There's no one else I can trust to see it through.
क्या मिशन है लास्ट वाला?
That day, when I first met you outside, you may wish you could take it back. But if not for what happened, you wouldn't hate Marley nearly enough to come this far.
So is that
मेरे को ना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ, मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रही स्टोरी
It's
यार,
part of it.
कि ये फ्यूचर है, पास्ट है, क्या है, एरन यहाँ पे, एरन ये जेगर कहाँ से आ गया ये यहाँ पर।
You bore it all such hatred. A look in your eyes could have burnt the world to ash. I felt that same rage for a time. The branch of the royal family that stayed behind started a revolution, and my father was a staunch supporter. It failed. Not
जला
only did
दिया
they
जिंदा।
accomplish nothing, all of them were burnt alive.
ओह,
I couldn't help.
कितने
I just
आरामी
peeked through
बंदे
the
हैं
closet
भाई,
door and
इतनी
watched.
क्राइम कैसे कर लेते हैं ये लोग?
After that day, I swore I would take revenge and restore the Eldian Empire. But all I've managed to do is cut the fingers off my fellow patriots, kick them off this wall, and watch the humanity leave them. I had to do these heinous deeds, or else I would have been found out as the Owl.
ओह,
I'm not sure I've changed since
Yeah.
that day. Perhaps I'm still a child looking at the world through a cracked closet door.
So go on and tell me, this task,
फाउल.
what exactly is it you're asking me to do?
हाँ मिशन तो बता.
I want you to make your way into the walls and take the Founding Titan by force. After you've inherited my Titan, that is.
You want me to... what? But I...
You'll have to eat me alive as a Titan. That's also how you'll steal the Founding Titan from the royal family.
But why don't you do it?
ओह इसको पावर देना
Anyone
चाहता
who
है.
inherits the power of one of the nine will perish 13 years later. And that's how long it's been for me.
He said that was the rule. Called it the Curse of Ymir. The first Titan, Ymir, died that long after getting her powers. Since none can surpass her, we have to do the same.
और ये बता रहा है उसको जो
So I have
स्टोरी
13
सारी है
years
वो
to
बता
live.
रहा है.
And you? I've only got 8 left. Not even.
No,
ओह
you're wrong. There's been a mistake.
13 साल ही जी सकते हैं और इसके पास 8 साल बचे. बट ये बोल रही है इट्स नॉट ट्रू. कैंट बी ट्रू. मतलब वो मानना नहीं चाहती ये ट्रू हो सकता
If
है.
someone with the powers of one of the nine should die without passing it on to a successor, the
ओह
power will be inherited by a baby born after that death.
सब्जेक्ट ऑफ
A
यमी.
subject of Ymir, of course. For that to be the case, it seems all of us Eldians must be connected by something we can't see. There was one successor who said there were paths. Paths that the naked eye can't observe, through which Titan flesh can move, along with memories and the will to act. These paths are countless. They reach far and in many directions, but they all meet at one coordinate. The Founding Titan.
फाउंडिंग टाइटन. मैं जितना समझ आ रहा है वो समझने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है क्योंकि मेरा जो दिमाग हिल चुका है भैंस की आँख यहाँ पर पूरा.
Who do you think
वो
she
कहानी बता रहा है
was?
अपनी पता नहीं किसकी.
To the Marleyan state, she's the devil's pawn.
सर्वेंट ऑफ द
But to the
demon.
Eldian Empire, she was a miracle of
Worth
God.
sand for the god.
There are those who believe that she touched the source of all life. And who am I to say they're wrong? The sole truth of this world I've found is that there is no truth. Any one of us can become a god or a devil. All it takes is for people to believe it.
True.
You're the one who sent us Dinah, claiming she was of a royal bloodline. Was that a truth of your creation?
Unfortunately, Dinah's royal heritage was objectively real.
Then why'd you let them turn her?
That'd be because she had royal blood. I couldn't risk letting the Marleyans get her. She had to go before Zeke could tell Marley more.
अच्छा इसी वजह से उसने उसको नहीं बचाया
Even
ताकि
so,
उनके हाथ ना पड़ जाए.
The
पता
enemy
चल
would
जाएगा
have
सबको.
forced
तो
Dinah to bear their children for the rest of her miserable life. Would that have been better? I didn't save our comrades because they couldn't reach the walls alive. Only one of the nine can make it past all those mindless titans. I've done my duty. Now do yours.
To be perfectly honest, I don't think I'm fit for the job.
You're going to do it.
करना ही पड़ेगा भाई.
Look at the sergeant. He was eaten alive by a titan, and afterward,
सही
he
किया.
asked me if watching that was interesting. Well, that's not the word I'd have used. Each moment I spent listening to his screams was unbearable.
वो तो ठीक है लेकिन उसका तो भाई सही था भाई मरना.
I didn't know what I was doing. If I had realized that this was the price of freedom, I wouldn't have paid.
इतना
Stand.
बढ़िया बंदा है यार ये.
Fight.
बहुत ज्यादा बढ़िया बंदा है बट इतना बढ़िया
If you
बंदा
want to
बन के
restore freedom and
सरवाइव नहीं
dignity
कर
to
सकते ना.
Eldian,
आरामी दुनिया में
then
आरामी
stand.
बनना पड़ेगा.
I just can't.
I brought this from your home. Look at it.
No, I can't.
फोटो है इसकी. वही
So you
वाली
can't
फोटो.
fight, or stand, or even look. What's wrong with you?
नो
Marley,
बॉल्स.
cut your balls off.
मालिक काट देना. मतलब वो कह रहा है वो भी गोडे काट के फेंक दिए क्या कि अभी वैसे ही कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा.
Accept my sins.
Those are all you need. The main reason I chose you was because of that day. Because you went beyond the walls. If you hadn't taken your sister's hand and run past the gate that day, you would have ended up running your father's clinic. And your sister might be married by now. She might even have children, but you'll never know what she would have become. Ever since you tread forbidden ground and took her with you, ever since the day I first kicked a patriot off this wall, we've known that we'd have to keep fighting, to pay for our sins, even in death, even after.
Even after death.
That's right.
इसका बेटे ने भी इसको धोखा दे दिया, इसकी बीवी मर गई, बहन पहले मर गई, माँ बाप ऑब्वियसली मर गए होंगे, भैंस क्या सब मर गए, कोई नहीं बचा। अब यहाँ पर ये मिशन दे रहा है, ये करने को मना कर रहा है। अब शायद मेरे को लग रहा है मान जाएगा।
Each of the 9 Titans has a name to describe it,
क्या?
and that includes the one you're about to inherit from me.
हैरी,
Throughout history, this Titan's marched in the vanguard. It has ever pushed forward, seeking freedom. And for freedom's sake.
और यहाँ पर ये इसको मिला था, है ना? ओह हाँ।
It's called the Attack Titan.
The Attack Titan. उसी की बात हो रही है ना, जो उसको वहाँ मिला था। वो टाइटन ही
What's
था
that
ना,
all about?
तो यहाँ से वो कनेक्ट हो गई स्टोरी।
It's called the Attack Titan. That's what you just did, remember?
No?
Huh? Come on! He did! Am I the only one who saw him?
No, but I think he was just...
Just what? Who the hell were you talking to?
No one. It's nothing.
You said the name of your Titan, right? Are you practicing ways to introduce him, or...?
Let it go, Hanji. He's 15 years old. We all go through a phase like this.
A phase where we mutter weird crap while posing?
Hanji, I'll explain it to you later. It's not right with
Huh?
him here.
Oh, it's that kind of thing.
What the hell do you want?
Get out.
What? But I'm not done. I still have 10 full days left.
I'm satisfied. Hanji just gave you 10 days worth of pain.
We talked it all over with
ओह,
Pamir-san, so
10
don't
दिन अभी
worry.
बाकी है,
If
लेकिन
we keep the
लीवाई
brave
ने उनको
heroes who
आजाद
toppled
करने
the
का
armored
सोच
and
लिया है,
colossal
और अब
Titans
ये आजाद हो
it
रहे
kinda
हैं।
sends a bad message, you know. Plus, you were only defying the morons who had the beast and armored Titans at their mercy, but let them get away.
That isn't true.
इसकी हालत ज़्यादा खराब हो गई है
Did
क्या?
you lose some weight? That's odd. We had plenty to eat.
You look well enough.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's go. Get dressed already.
Wait, where are we going, Captain?
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
The state meeting.
क्वीन हरसेल्फ,
Her
उसके
Majesty
पास
has come to trust.
ये रही। ये भी अच्छी लगती है यार।
To my dear Historia,
स्टोरिया।
as I write this, Rhina's standing at my side. He knows this is a love letter, but he's still sneaking peeks. Honestly, it's no wonder the creep's still single. That said, he did give me his word that he'd deliver this letter to you.
ओके, इसने
He
उसको
says he
दे
owes
दिया
me
ना?
for the time I doubled back to save him. I'm sorry about then.
इसका लेटर है,
Never would
इसका
have
लेटर।
imagined myself choosing those two over
और
you.
इसने पहले पढ़ा,
I'm
हाँ जी
going
ने
to
पहले
die
पढ़ा,
soon.
उसने कहा था मैं पहले
But
पढ़ूंगी, उसके बाद इसको
I'll
दिया।
die without regrets. Or that's what I'd like to say. Truth is, I do have one. It's that I never got to marry you. With love,
Yum.
Ymir.
ओह, इसकी मेमोरी आ रही है इसको, सारी की सारी।
These paths are countless. They reach far and in
ये
many
वाले
directions.
सिंगल कोऑर्डिनेट
They
पे
all
जा
lead
रही है,
to
जो
one
इसने
point.
देखा।
The founding
That
titan.
is the founding titan.
Wait, what was that?
भाई ये एनिमे सही में भांग भोसड़ा करता है ना, तो दिमाग खराब हो गया भाई।
I take it this is all she wrote.
Yes. I doubt that she would be permitted to write anything that might be beneficial to our cause.
Could there be a secret message that no one can see except you? Some kind of code?
The early life of Grisha Yeager. The extent of our knowledge of Titans and their history.
पूरी
and
हिस्ट्री
information
नॉलेज
about
सब
the
कुछ
world
है
beyond the
ग्रेसा
walls.
एगर की।
The only people who know these books exist are those who are in this room now. These texts were obtained through the efforts of the 9 scouts before us and the 199 others who were lost.
On this day and in the Queen's presence, I'd like for all of us to assess our situation and come to an agreement about our next course of action.
Okay. क्या होगा?
Scout Regiment Commander, Hanji Zo.
Hanji Zo, Sir
Sir,
Wilcox, Commander.
The scouts have suffered a brutal, staggering blow. In exchange for the lives of many heroes, including Erwin Smith, we have retaken Walmaria and seized control of the colossal Titan with all its fearsome strength. That said, we humans living inside the walls have just learned how precarious our situation is. I'd be relieved if Titans were the only monsters we had for enemies. Unfortunately, the true nature of the foe we face
humans.
is human. It's a whole civilization. One could say that it's us against the world. According to these books, we're of a special race that can turn into Titans, called the Subjects of Ymir. We ruled the world once, and some fear we will again. So despite our past century of pacifism, most in this world would like to wipe us out.
If Marley takes hold of the founding Titan, the Eldian race will be finished.
But if they try, the King in the Walls will stop them.
The King in the Walls won't fight. Huh? If Eldia is driven to sin once again, it shall perish, as is meant to be. I've made a vow, renouncing war through the founding Titan. He said that to the royal family still on the continent. And then he closed his gates.
Oh.
But what about the Titans he threatened to send out from the walls? It was the last warning he gave.
Those words were simply meant to deter an attack. They afforded him a brief time of peace. The King of the Walls stole his people's memories and told them that beyond the walls humanity was gone. Surrounded by fools of his making, he tells them they're in paradise. A king that can't protect his people is no king.
No king at all.
You must find that coward and strip him of the founding Titan's power.
Found the founding Titan. That is our mission. और कौन है वो
Dr. Jaeger did manage to achieve this mission, and he passed the founding Titan on to his son Eren.
Oh.
The founding Titan's full might can only be brought to bear when the power is possessed by someone of royal blood.
Royal blood.
However, when a royal comes to possess the founding Titan, they're overpowered by their ancestors' will, and they continue down the path he set before them.
Okay.
Such is the power of his vow renouncing war.
To renounce war.
However, Eren has commanded pure Titans once in the past to escape from a dire situation. So despite his lack of royal blood, it's at least conditionally possible for Eren to wield that power too.
That's right.
ये interesting है भाई.
For an instant.
ये interesting है तभी ये रुक गया था इसी वजह से.
Why?
इसीलिए टाइटन इसकी सुन रहे थे. और ये वही थी.
I'm here as a descendant of the royal family, the last that stayed. My name's Dinah Fritz.
There's no way!
You scared
वो
me.
जो रुकी थी वो वही थी ना?
What's wrong?
हाँ.
I just... If you have something to say, we would be glad to hear it.
Actually, it's nothing.
बहस की आग तुम्हारी यार तुमने जो दिमाग खराब किया है ना कसम से.
Oh, I get it now. That's right. It would appear that Jaeger here is going through an awkward phase. He speaks out of turn and often makes a nuisance of himself.
Ah, I see. That's rather unfortunate. But he is at that age.
इस एज में वो कह रहा है ये सब
Those two about it yet either.
लेकिन वो बताना नहीं
About
चाहता.
how the Titan who killed my mother and Hannes was actually someone my dad had been married to. The thing is, I can't talk about it here. If someone with royal blood is turned into a Titan, then it might be possible for me to use the founding Titan's powers while touching them. Who knows? It might not work at all. But if the military knew it was a possibility, what would they do to Historia?
Build a family. Huh? After you've entered the walls, you should start a family.
What are you talking about? I'm still married to Dinah. And you're about to transform me, right? So won't I just forget everything you're telling me now anyway?
That's not always the case.
और ये है उसका बाप एरन का, और इसने अपने बेटे का नाम भी वही रखा, एरन, इसी के नाम पे। अब मैं समझ गया, देखा लास्ट में समझ ही जाता हूँ मैं धीरे 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 धीरे। History will only repeat itself.
You have to see this through.
If you want to save Mikasa, Armin, and everyone else, you must complete.
Mikasa? Armin? Who are they?
I don't know. They are.
इन दोनों की मेमोरीज मिल गई है भाई, मैं बता रहा हूँ। इन दोनों की मेमोरीज का ऐसी तैसी हो गई है, मिल गई है इन दोनों की मेमोरीज, है ना? यही हुआ है भाई, इन दोनों की मेमोरीज मिल गई है। ये वाले एरन की और अभी वाले एरन की और पुराने वाले एरन की मेमोरी मिल गई है। यहाँ पर ये भी कुछ भी बकवास कर रहा है, वहाँ पर वो भी कुछ भी बकवास कर रहा है, लेकिन दोनों की मेमोरी मिल गई है, दोनों समझ पा रहे हैं एक दूसरे को। और ये जो है फाउंडिंग टाइटन है एरन जेगर, जो कि मतलब तभी ये जब चिल्ला रहा था ना, उसके रुक गए थे, उसकी बातें सुन रहे थे, सारी चीज़ें। मेरे को जितना समझ आया मैं उतना ही बता रहा हूँ, बाकी मेरे को नहीं पता। बाकी तुम लोग मेरे को एक्सप्लेन करो, तुम लोग अपने आप को ज़्यादा समझते हो ना, क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने पूरा देखा हुआ है, तुम लोगों को पूरा समझ है, तुम लोगों ने एक्सप्लेनेशन देखी हुई है, सारी चीज़ें देखी हुई हैं, इसलिए तुम लोगों को अच्छे से समझ आया। मेरे को नहीं आ रहा तो क्या करूं भाई, थोड़ा बहुत आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे आगे आ ही जाता है, सब कुछ आ जाता है, आगे आ जाएगा ऑब्वियसली। लेकिन हाँ, इस एपिसोड के बारे में अगर कुछ समझाना चाहो तो मेरे को जरूर समझाना। आगे वाले एपिसोड के बारे में बिल्कुल भी मत समझाना, क्योंकि आगे वाले एपिसोड में देख के समझ लूंगा, नहीं आएगा फिर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो गाइज मज़ा तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा आया, स्टोरी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चल रही है, ठीक है? अब मैं समझ गया कि ये कौन सी स्टोरी, बाकी आगे मैं देखना चाहता हूँ ये इतना मतलब पीछे कैसे आ गए, मतलब वो चीज़ मेरे को जाननी है बस, कि जो एडवांस नहीं है, बिल्कुल पीछे आ चुके हैं। जैसे देख रहा हूँ जो इसके बाप के टाइम की प्लेन, एयरशिप, मशीन, कार वगैरह, लेकिन अभी वो सब नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है भाई, क्यों, वाई? वो चीज़ मेरे को पता करनी है, वो चीज़ देखनी क्या हुआ था। कुछ तो बड़ा हुआ था कि जिससे सब कुछ उड़ गया, मिट गया, जो भी है। तो ये चीज़ देखने वाली बात होगी, आपको भी देखना है, तुम्हें तो पता ही होगा, लेकिन मेरे साथ देखना है, इस चूतिए को देखना है आपको, कि हाँ इसको तो सब चूतिया को बैठ के देखता है फिर भी समझ नहीं आती, क्योंकि सही में थोड़ी बहुत आती है, थोड़ा बहुत नहीं आता है, लेकिन तुम हो समझाने वाला, आई नो। तो भाई समझा देना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, कमेंट कर देना, एंड चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब करना, वीडियो को लाइक करना। चैनल को अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है आप लोगों की सपोर्ट की, तो प्लीज़ से करो यार, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, करो ना, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है भाई। तो करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो। बाकी मैं मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन के साथ, तब तक टाटा बाय बाय।